Using Blogger on mobile is very simple. You have to go to the www.com, blogger.com. Now here you can use your mobile browser, your favorite one. It could be Brave, Chrome, doesn't matter here. Now after that, go to the Blogger's website. Now you have to log in with the account. Now you can click on pencil icon to create a new blog post. You can put title, description, tags, images, links, and a lot of stuff. If you have already some post, you can edit it. If you don't want to do that, just go to settings. You can customize your blog, look and feel, themes and stuff. If you want to do more, you can do this on your PC1. PC1 has more feature than mobile one, but you can do this on go to Chrome, and you can go to select as desktop site, and that's it. That's how you can explore blogger.com. Blogger.com is associated by Google, which can help you to write blogs and stuff. However, it's not as powerful as WordPress, but Blogger is a great platform to share your thoughts and stuff. However, if in the case of SEO and stuff, Blogger might not be that helpful.